Hi everybody. Today I'm making a meatloaf for Grammys Story Tyme. If you haven't seen her channel, I'm going to put a link in the description. But she reads books to her grandchildren, and I watch her channel with my son and we both love it. So I'm doing a new recipe today. I've never done this before, so I hope it's good. But I start off with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And then I've got 1 cup of sour cream. Go ahead and add this and scoop it all in there. Ooh. Make sure I get all of it. And then I have 1 egg. And then I need 2 tablespoons of the Worcestershire sauce. Still don't know how to say that, but I need 2 tablespoons of it. Turn it around. Oh no. That doesn't want to work. Let's see, let me take the whole lid off. It's mad because I don't know how to pronounce it. There's 1 and 2, a little bit extra. Alright, lid back on. And then over here I have, let's see, I've got 1/2 cup of the shredded Parmesan cheese. Oh, I needed that. I needed that. Oh no. Oh well. I have 1 pack of the onion soup mix. And then what I was not supposed to get that dirty, I need 1.5 cups of Italian style breadcrumbs. All right, now I can put it in the sour cream one. Alright, and then that's all my ingredients, and it's a big mess. And then I'm going to try to figure this out and get it all mixed together. Oh, that doesn't feel gross at all. It'll be good. Make sure it all blends. I got to get all the stuff off the bottom of the bowl. All the breadcrumbs are trying to hide. Okay, looking pretty good. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Pretty good mess. Oh no, really gonna be a mess. Alright, let's see if I can get this in my loaf pan. I don't know if this is big enough. There we go. It was the only loaf pan I had. Alright. So I hope that's gonna work. Okay, now I have the oven preheated to 375, and I have to wash up and cover this with foil, bake it for 45 minutes, take the foil off, and cook it for another 10 to 15. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back. Well, it looks and smells so good. I put my loaf pan in this dish just in case it bubbled over, and it did a little bit, so I wanted it to catch a little bit of that grease. I left it in the oven maybe 10 extra minutes after I took the foil off, just to get it a little more brown and to make sure that it was cooked through. So 45 minutes with the foil on, and then mine was about 25 minutes with the foil off, just to make sure. And it looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna see. Oh, it looks, like I said, I don't know if y'all can see that very well, but wow. Wow, that is good. Oh man. I'm gonna get another bite. I really hope you make this.